Hello Janus family, and welcome to the new retrofittable conversion kit. Very simple, very simple. What we've got here is you take your standard shipping container doors off, you put your side plates on, your header panel and your bottom threshold in with your iconic 650R Janus International roller door as well. Now this is a very simple conversion kit. It's a plug and play device. This is so simple, so easy, and we can convert it into the digital market space with Nokē Smart Entry. Come follow me so I can show you. So if we just wake up the Nokē One device, just connect via your phone, and you're in. And we're straight into the solution. This is a fantastic product, guys. Come and get it while it's hot.